Hi everybody, and welcome to video 7, which is actually our flip through of our Slim Industrial Grunge project. Now the papers that I used for this are by Pink Monarch Papers, and you can find them on Etsy, and you can actually save a bunch of money if you go to Pink Monarch, it's Pink Monarch Prints. If you go to their website at pinkmonarchprints.com, they have a membership that's $8.99 a month, and you get a 50-page kit every month. It's awesome. Sometimes they even throw in some of those super simples, and you may know them the best by those projects. So now, this project is so tall, it's hard to kind of fit in the picture. It's 11¼ inches tall, and at its widest, right here with the tab, is 5 inches. That's all. So, and that's just because of this tab. If you were to measure it without, it would be 4½. So this is the cover. The cover has a card right here. Nice dude. And then this opens up, and you have some writing space in here. Then to undo it, you just undo this. You just pop it open and undo it around twice. And the secret to this one, with the decorative paper clip with the charm on it, is to go to the left, not to the right. Well, I guess you could go to the right. Anyway, going to the left is more fun because it's different. So you just go around once and kind of hook it down in there. Go around again and hook it down in there, and then just bring your tie down. Okay? Alright, I'm going to try to look at the camera and make sure I have this in frame. Okay, so pages 1 and 2. So page 1 has a nice little fold out feature where you open this, and instead of just being this one little piece of paper, you open it up this way, and then you open it up that way, and you've got quite a big writing area on some coffee dyed paper. Plus you can write on this cover over here if you want. So that's the first part. The second part is a stacked pocket. So there's a tag here, and this tag can go from here all the way down to the bottom. The way that I made it, I only glued the sides until I got to the bottom. Then there's a tag here, 2 tags here, 2 tags here. Okay, on this side over here, there's a paper clip holding this closed. So it's a decorative clip. And then you've got your belly band here with a giant writing card. And the back matches the belly band. And then the back of this matches the belly band under here, or the pocket, or belly band under there that you're about to see. Belly band. And then this is actually an envelope that's attached to a belly band. That's why you can see the card a little bit. And then here I made a large pocket. It's almost like a library card. And then this large card would come out, except for I think it's stuck to the glue, and I'm going to have to fix it. And then this large writing card comes out here, and it's printed on the back, and it matches here. Then the next page you turn, well, let's paper clip this little guy back on here. I forgot to put a magnet or a Velcro, and I didn't want to put a Velcro dot, so I just decided to hold it closed with a paper clip, an ornamental paper clip that I got from Temu. Then you go to this side, and there's giant writing cards. There's one here and one here. Okay. Then on this side, there's an envelope and a tuck. And then this giant pocket here with this car on it. And then a card with a clock on it here. All of these are kind of industrial related objects. Between the two manila envelopes that this is made from, this is made from two legal sized manila envelopes for 11 by 4 or 8.5 by 14s. There's a card here and a card here instead of one large card. And then there's our tab. Oh, I forgot, and on this tab are some decorative eyelets. On this side you have two of the miniature file folders, and they're held in by acetate belly bands. There's two of belly bands. On this side the page is split in two. There's a pocket up here. This has been embossed. You can see it in person, but you can't see it on camera. There's a card here with a top hat on it. Never pull the cards out when you're doing the flip through. And when you open that one, or close that one and close that one, on the back side, this one's embossed, and it has a tag to the side instead of the top. Like the one on this page has one to the top. And then this one matches this one, except it's different paper and it has a different card, but it does have the hat. Originally, in the kit, these were white, and you were supposed to cut them out with a window so that you could see the hat when you have the card slid down in there, but I decided not to cut out the window, and these pieces of ephemera just happen to fit exactly over the window area. On this side we have two pockets with our gentlemen and our hats. And our gentleman trifold that opens this way, and then it opens this way, and then on the other side it's this way. So there's two writing areas, and 1, 2, 3, 4 decorative areas. And then this is the parts of a clock, with a clock there. On the back side is a long envelope, pocket with a really long writing card. When you take the writing card out, this is a hidden pocket. And put this card back in. It's a big one. I loved making this. I like making these slim, tall journals. And then you go back to the front, and we close her up. And that's it for the flip through. Thank you for joining me for the flip through. I'll see you in the next video series. Don't forget to visit Sweet Pea Paper's Facebook group and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook groups. And have a good time over there, and post your Etsy shop and your YouTube channels and all kinds of stuff like that. Post your videos. Okay? All right, I'll see you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.